Today, we are making the ultimate, melt-in-your-mouth mutton curry hot and sweet style. Rich, deeply spiced, and surprisingly simple. Let's get straight to it. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil and fry diced 100 grams dry coconut. Grind the fried coconut to make fine paste. Take 4 tomatoes and roast them to peel their skin off. The star ingredient is the mutton. Gather all these spices and grind them to make garam masala powder. Now that we have all the ingredients ready, fry chopped onions in oil until they are soft. Add the mutton pieces. Add the ginger garlic paste. Add salt as per taste. Add turmeric powder and mix well. Cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes the meat locks in all those juices. This is called the bhuna process. Add these meat to pressure cooker and add half glass of water. Cook it for 5 whistles. Let's prepare our curry. In a separate pan sauté onions. Add ginger garlic paste. Add coconut paste prepared earlier and mix well. Add turmeric, chili powder and garam masala powder to the paste. Add tomato paste and mix well. Cook for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the mutton. Add half glass water. Cover it and simmer for 45 minutes, so that the water is evaporated and the curry thickens. The meat will pull away from the bone, and a beautiful layer of oil has floated to the top. Give it one final gentle stir. Your rich, aromatic mutton curry is ready, perfect with hot basmati rice or flaky naan. Just look at that texture. You can practically taste the richness through the screen. If your mouth is watering right now, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and let me know in the comments how your curry turns out. Happy cooking!